Hello everyone, this is Amy.
Hello, this is Papa. We're going to have a drawing here. Amy will show you about it.
We are here to do the drawing for the week 78 Journal Tassels. I was supposed to do it last week, but it was 4th of July week and my husband invited up my nephew and it was just really busy around here, so I didn't get a chance. So we're doing it this week. Whoever wins will choose number 1, number 2, or number 3, and I will send those out to you. And Papa is going to do the drawing. We had 37 comments, and so only one name per comment. A few people did comment a couple of times, but their name only went in once. And you want to mix that up a little bit, Papa?
We'll go to the bottom and get a... That's just one?
Yep, that's just one.
There we are.
Here's our winner.
Who's the lucky winner?
And the lucky winner is Glenda Gonzer. And so there is our winner. So Glenda, if you could send me a private message or leave me a message underneath the video and let me know some information to get a hold of you so I can get your address and send one out to you, and let me know whether you would like number 1, number 2, or number 3. That would be just great. Congratulations on that. Thank you very much, everyone, for all of your comments. They were really sweet comments, and I really do appreciate that.
Yes, congratulations. Papa saying goodbye.
Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.